Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another quick and interesting video. I've got a small challenge for you today. Okay, imagine you're given this data, you're working in a company that is selling furniture online. Okay, so you have the month, you have the year and like the source, right? So from where are they bringing people onto the website, right? So you have Google, Bing, Facebook and Instagram, and the medium is basically whether it's paid or it's like organic, right? So Google CPC is nothing but running Google ads campaigns, same way for Bing. And for Facebook and Instagram it says paid, which means they are running ads on Facebook and Insta, and when people are seeing it they are clicking, coming onto the website, right? And this company is doing this paid campaigns for different categories to sell chairs, tables, sofas, curtains and so on, right? Carpets, whatever. And now we are given some performance data of the marketing campaigns. You have the clicks, you have the impressions, you have how much money they are spending, that is the cost, how many orders they were able to get, and also what is the overall revenue, right? The money they have been able to make. I think data is from month 1, 2, 3 of 2024. So Jan, Feb, March data, right? This could be a real data analyst kind of scenario. Now you have this data. You have to come up with insights, recommendations, or basic analysis. This is up to you. You can use whatever tool you want. You can feed this data into Google BigQuery, write SQL queries. You can build dashboard on Looker Studio. You can even use Python pandas to do manipulation, or just use Google Sheets, right? This is up to you. The tool doesn't matter, but try it out. Try to come with insights, maybe see which is performing good, what they can improve, come with recommendations. Use this data set. I'm going to put it in the description. Give it a try, right? And see what you can do. This is where your tool knowledge plus your business insight, how can you evaluate these metrics, will come into play, right? As I said, I leave the tool to your choice. Give it a try, and next week I will be trying to share the solutions in some tools, not every tool, but in the end the logic is going to be the same regardless of which tool you use. So take this as a challenge. I'll see you again next week with the solutions of this.